Alright guys, I finally pulled this motor out. Let's take it home and swap it into our new Civic. What's up, Kid Family? On this episode, we are in Victory Auto Wreckers in Bensenville, Illinois, and we're going to be looking for things to pull. We got a bit of tools here with us, and we're going to check out if we can find any Civics. I do need some parts for my car as well, so let's go ahead. I'll show you if there's anything cool around here. Now we are in a Hyundai Tiburon, and this is how you power shift. Man, beater cars, I love it. This is probably the best body work I've seen. Look at that. And look what it says right here. Definitely need some prayers to fix this body work. Honda Accord. Demolished, guys. That's why whenever you're buying a used car, you want to make sure you pull the fender liner back here and just inspect the frame, the chassis. It's been worked on. If it's been worked on, you'll know it's not straight. It's jacked up like this. Man. Now what's really interesting is how they lift all these cars. They take wheels and they weld them together. It's not welded on the vehicle, but the bottoms are welded. And you can see all the cars are lifted up so you can get access to critical components. G35 right here. It's locked. It looks like a stick shift too. Look at that. A lot has changed since the last time I was here. Boy, when I was here, there was mud everywhere. Here's the G. What do you guys need? You guys need anything? And it's so sad to see these cars here in this condition. Here you guys can see the valve cover taken off. You see the cams. It's a dual overhead cam because there's two cam shafts. I'm thinking this is a Nissan Altima right here. And I mean, it's been torn apart. I mean, look how they took the headers off. But when your car gets hit, this is that crash bar. You want to make sure these are not bent on the vehicle. If not, it's okay. It was still nice to come out here and see. Before, they used to have just ground soil on the bottom, so you would be all in mud at the end of the day here. But now this is much better. I wonder how much it cost them to lay concrete on this whole junkyard. We got another Nissan Altima over here. It looks like the hubs have been removed. When I was working in Jiffy Lube, guys, these oil filters were the worst. They're just right there on the frame rail. Pain in the ass. But it looks like this Nissan, the same thing they did. They cut off, maybe they're taking the catalytic converters, I assume. Man, if cars were this open and easy to work on, things would be much better and easier. We got a carbureted motor here. That's an old school car, man. I don't mess with carburetors anymore. It's too much drama. We got our German car here. Hey, German cars go bad too. Even though this thing looks pretty sharp right there. Looks pretty sharp. Now my battery is dying, guys, so I'm just gonna be careful with what I film here. But yeah, we got a lot of cars here. So this is actually where they crush the cars, as you can see. See, we got the junker coming. They're gonna throw them out. And this is going garbage. That's it. Crushing the cars, throwing them away. Dodge Sprinter. Whoever did work on this, man, they did a lot of work over here. I would not want to be that guy. Oh look, another camshaft. Just chilling here. Got some sludge deposits. This is what I like to see right here though. A virgin naked engine. They took what they needed, they left everything behind. They don't care. Look at this. Full suspension and steering column. I don't know what car it's from, but hey, it looks in pretty good condition. We got a transmission laying over here. Axle boot right here. And again, no motor. Should be damaged. On this motor, you can actually see the valves inside over there. Those are the exhaust valves. Alright guys, I finally pulled this motor out. Let's take it home and swap it into our new Civic. So the cool thing about these vans is the motor is right here. You got the transmission, both heads. This is, I believe, this is a Ford right here. That's pretty wild. Haven't seen it exposed like that in a minute. Here's a little Civic that could. It's like it got headers on it. 421 headers. Ton of oil leaks though. This is a Y8 though. D16 Y8. It's a pretty good motor. Here again you see the lifter assembly, which has already been removed. So the lifters are spreading apart here. I gotta adjust my valve lash on my Civic, so we're gonna be looking at this on my car soon too. This is a Volkswagen Touareg, I believe, and look at the front fender. This isn't even metal. This is some kind of plastic. So cheap. RX-7, and look how tiny these rotary engines are. I mean, this is so tiny, man. You can easily swap a motor in here. Let's see if it's a stick shift. Yes sir, it's a stick shift, all right. I always thought these were cool. They look pretty good, but yeah, that rotary, man, no thanks. I'm not a fan of that. RX-8. Alright kid, that's about it, man. We walked through the whole thing. There's only 6th and 7th gen Civics here, no 8th gen Civics. We can't get what we came here for, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and seen some things that you don't usually see sitting behind that desk. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the